So Rupa Goswami is very emphatic. If you don't have it, there's some people in some missions that are practicing for 30 years and 40 years and many for 50 years. Right now, for 50 years, they don't have greed for this line of thought. They don't have greed to practice Raganuga Bhakti. Why is that? The answer is very simple. They have not received mercy from Krishna, this type of mercy, and they have not received mercy from devotees, this type of mercy. They have received mercy from Krishna. In fact, the bhakti that they have may be coming directly from Krishna. The interest in bhakti itself, that's generic Vaidhi sadhana beginning bhakti, can come from Krishna or Guru. As the interest in regular bhakti, Vaidhi sadhana or the beginning comes by mercy of Guru Krishna, then the interest in Raganuga Bhakti, there's two types of sadhana bhakti, one is Vaidhi and one is Raganuga. So the interest, attraction, desire to practice Vaidhi sadhana can come from a devotee or come from Krishna. And the proof of this is in our Chaitanya Charitamrita. There's one famous verse everyone has heard, you must have heard. Brahmanda Brahmate Kon Bhagyavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. P-A-Y-A is Bangala Bhasha. Bengali, it means to receive, to get. We don't have, nobody has bhakti in their heart. Nobody. Black, brown, green, whatever color you are. Nobody has bhakti in their heart. We have Kam in our heart. Kam, Krodh, Lo, Moha, Matsarya. Bhakti comes from Guru or Krishna.